Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited for this video. It is going to be a styling video, and not only is it a styling video, but we are doing a Dailylook subscription service box. And I don't know if you've ever heard of Dailylook, but I have, and I have heard of them since I started my YouTube channel a very long time ago, and I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my first Dailylook box. I am obsessed. I am so excited. I got to preview my box, and you guys, there's so many goodies in here. So if you have never heard of Dailylook, I'm going to explain really quickly. So basically it is a styling subscription service that you can sign up for, where a professional stylist kind of you take like a big quiz on their website, and they take all that information. It's a very good quiz too. It asks about your body type, what you like, what you don't like, what you need in your closet, what you're looking for, workwear, athleisure wear. It goes very in depth, and basically that professional stylist takes all that information and curates a whole box just for you, full of premium brand goodies. And the cool thing about Dailylook is that you can choose if you want this box monthly, bi-monthly, every 3 months, whatever you like. They kind of go whenever you need something. So say you have a huge event coming up and you need some good workwear things, they can curate a box for you, and you can get sent a bunch of goodies to try out. Now, when you get the box, you can choose to keep it. You can try it all on. You can say, oh, I don't like it. You can send it right back. Or if you like a couple pieces, you can keep those couple pieces, send the rest back. If you want, you can keep the whole box, and then they will charge you however the amount it is. So it is so good. And I actually have a discount code for you guys that is $10 off your first box from Dailylook, which is very exciting. Like I said, if you're the type of person that just has trouble picking out clothes for yourself and you just want to try something new even, this is a great way to do that. Another cool feature of the Dailylook box is that you can actually preview your box for 24 hours before they actually ship it out to you, and you can kind of interchange 3 items in your box. So say I actually did, there was a bright cobalt blue top, and I'm just not into bright colors like that. So I switched that one out for something else, which I don't know what it is. So you can actually see what's in your box before you get sent all that stuff. And it's just fun to kind of try out new things. I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of things. I'm gonna be telling you guys what I keep, what I don't keep, and I'm just so excited. So it comes in this beautiful box too. Look how pretty it is packaged so nicely. And this is what it looks like. I just hit the camera inside. So nice. Oh, you guys, oh my gosh. Stripes. This is good. This is a good sign. So like I said, you can get $10 off your first box using the code absolutely10. I will have the link down below as well as the code so you guys can check it out. And let's get started with the try on. All right, so first up in my box is this dress, and I hate to be the first thing, I'm keeping it, but this is really cute, and I think I'm gonna keep this one. I haven't even looked through the box. I need to take a second, but this one is so cute. So this is a Bodycon dress. The brand is Olivia in green, I believe. And this is the extra small. They did say we sized you down in this because this usually runs big. So they will adjust your size. It's amazing. It's amazing. And this one fits perfect, like a glove. So this is a navy actually, and white striped. It's a thick, soft cotton material. The material is it's definitely higher end, I would say. So it is a Bodycon dress, but the bottom has the skirt part has this diagonal here that makes it so flattering. It looks like a faux wrap, and it's so cute. I'm not usually a Bodycon dress person, but this is comfortable. I feel comfortable in this, and I think this would be cute with a jean jacket over it, or I would wear it going shopping with my kids. It's so easy and cute. So I actually threw on little platform wedges with it, but oh, I love this. I love it. How cute. I love it. It's super flattering. And should I keep it? I'll come back to you. I'm gonna share with you guys at the very end what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not. All right, so next up is this BCBG dress, and it's so cute. I actually saw this in the preview and I got really excited about this one because it is so cute. And I actually pulled it out right now and I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be way too short, but it's perfect for my 5'2" body. I'm like, how do you know this? It's perfect. It literally fits so good. So this is what it looks like on. It is like a florally kind of dress, but it has like this lining and then it has like a blue slip underneath, and it's so cute. It's like very kind of boho-y. I love it. I did just keep the same little shoes on. I think that's really cute together. And yeah, oh, it also has this like little tie here so you can kind of tie it. Oh, I love this one, you guys. This is so cute. This is gonna be really, really hard to pick what to keep and what to not keep. Okay, next up is another dress, and this one is a Michael Stars dress. It is so soft. I love Michael Stars. They have like the most buttery, soft, just basics, and clearly this one is so, so cute, but I'm actually not sure of this one. So it has like little pinstripes. It's so like up my alley. Like this is totally what I would wear, but I feel like it's just a little nightgownish and it has no shape to it. I feel kind of like lost in it, and I feel like I'm wearing literally a nightgown. I definitely would have to like throw a belt over this. If I did throw a belt over this, I think it'd be so cute. The buttons are actually, this is really convenient for nursing moms out there, it's just like a snap. Like, yes, if I was still nursing my kids, I would totally love that. This would definitely be a keeper. But again, I just feel like it's a little shapeless, so it'd have to be worn with a belt every time I wear it. But it is really cute. I love it. It's so soft and comfy, but again, I just don't know if I would want to wear a belt every time with it. All right, and then the last dress that's in my box is this one. I think I said in my first dress that was Olivia in green, and it's Olivia gray. Olivia gray, and I really like her stuff, clearly. This print is so cute. It's like boho, prairie, and like the prairie dresses this spring, summer are huge. And I love this one. I love the print on it. It is so beautiful. The only thing is, I don't know if this one fits me. This is a wrap dress. I just feel like wrap dresses never fit me because I'm like totally flat chested. So I always feel like there's like excess here, but it cinches right here, and then the bottom is so cute. It's so flattering. It kind of has like that wrap detail and then the ruffle hem on the bottom. You guys, this is so cute. But again, I just don't know if the wrap top, it does snap here, which is really nice. Usually if there's no snap, I'm like, no way, I can't do it, because it just like opens up and shows the world. But this one is so really nicely made. I don't know. I'm not sure about this one, and I'm not sure about the shirt dress. The other two I love, but I love the print on this one, so I'm not sure. So the first thing I have is this tee, but I don't even want to say it's like a tee. It's like this fleece, soft, like it's like a sweatshirt, but it's thin, and it almost feels like a Wild Fox sweatshirt. Like it's like broken in, like it's really soft and cozy. I love the fit of it. The fit is like perfect. This is a size small with this one, and I just love how it's kind of like oversized here and it's slimmer on the arms. I love the V-neck of it. You could actually kind of, I want to show you my bra, but you can kind of like wear it off the shoulder if you wanted to. It's so cute. The only thing is I don't wear a lot of graphic tees, so I don't know if I'll keep this one, just because I don't really wear graphic tees like ever. I'm so plain and boring, you guys know me. So I really like the saying, best say ever. Like, yeah, heck yeah. All right, and then these leggings, you guys. Yes, I would not, like I said, I would not wear these together, but they are high-waisted. They're like so soft and cozy that I would wear them to bed or just lounging around, but they suck me in. Like, they're just really good leggings. I would totally work out in these. They are so comfortable, like they're just really good. So the coloring is actually like a heathered gray, but also has some like black in there as well. And actually on the bottom here, it says beautiful. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, they fit so nicely. These are also a small, and they're definitely true to size. I love just how high-waisted and like they suck me in, but they don't feel like heavy on. I think these might be a winner. Although, do I need another pair of leggings in my closet? I don't know. I have a lot of leggings, like a lot. All right, so next up is a pair of denim and a top, and I actually don't know about both of them. So this top is so cute and comfy. I just don't know if I need it in my closet. And I really am picky with like sleeves like this. If they're gonna be tight, I want them to be actually long. I don't want them to cut off right here, just because I'm so broad-shouldered. I don't know why. I like something longer. I don't like something that is 3/4 length, but I do like the flowiness of it, and it's really soft, and like the quality is amazing. It is like ribbed, but I don't know. And then the denim, so these denim, they are I think a skinny jean by One Denim, and they are definitely premium brand. Like you can tell, you put them on, they're like super soft and cozy. The only thing is this is like a lower rise. I would say probably like a mid-rise. And I'm just like steered away from all mid-rise just because I just love high-rise jeans. Like ever since I got into high-rise jeans, I like can't go back to the mid-rise. So that would be the only reason. I love the wash of them. They're really flattering, but like I said, I definitely need like a high-waisted pair. Okay, so next up is actually a jacket. I just threw it over what I was just wearing. It's actually by the same brand as this top. It's Corrier. I don't know brands, like I'm so bad with pronouncing them. But I love this jacket, and I have been needing something just like this. So it's really, really lightweight, but it's like a raincoat, windbreaker type coat. And I love this one because the color is perfect. It is a great neutral. It's thin, so it's not like too hot and sweaty, so you can wear it like when it's springtime, when it's warmer and pouring rain, which we've had plenty of here in Chicago. If you're in Chicago, you can agree with me. It has a hood, which is necessary for like a coat like this, and it's really long. It has tassels, you can kind of like tie it up. But I love the length of it. The length is perfect. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Like I said, the coloring is like really great too. It's a great neutral, goes with all my other neutrals, and I love the fit of it. It is so cute. Definitely a keeper. All right, so the next two pieces are something I would definitely, if I were creating my own box, I would definitely put in there. So these are definitely winners. The first thing is this really cute striped top. You guys know stripes are like my thing. And this one is a black and white stripe, but the back is so cute. There's like a different detailing to it. So it kind of crisscrosses in the back and kind of goes a little crop. So when you're wearing like your high-waisted denim, it looks so cute. I just love it. It's so adorable. So this one is a size small, I think. Yes, I think it's a small. Yes, it's a small. And it's just really cute. Like it's a really easy basic, but I love the back detailing. It just makes it a little different. And then the jeans, these are the J brand jeans, and I'm very pleased with them. They are so cute. They literally are my perfect denim, and they're high-waisted, and they're a light wash, which I have been wanting like a good pair of light wash skinny jeans, and they're like butter. They feel like amazing on. They are a little long. I had to roll them at the bottom, but I can get them hemmed, or I can just keep them rolled like that. I'm very used to rolling my jeans because I'm so short, but they are perfect. They fit like a glove, and they're definitely keepers for sure. All right, and then the last two pieces in my box are these two right here. This black, like kind of halter top. It's so cute. It has like a little ruffle detailing, and it's like a chiffon light material. It's so cute. It's like a really good basic, I feel like, but a very like dressier basic to have in your closet. And I love halter tops. I love the cut of them. I just think they're really flattering on. And then a pair of, they're actually cropped black I think they're from the brand Just Black. Yes, Just Black, and they're cropped black jeans. The only thing is they are a mid-rise, and I definitely want a high-rise with these, but they like hit me at the perfect length for usually crop jeans are like my perfect length for like a basic jean, and these are the perfect length. The only thing is I definitely need a high-rise, so these are definitely not a keeper. But the length is so perfect. I actually might look into like purchasing these, because if I can find a high-rise, because these are so cute. And I love this top. So I just don't think the jeans are a keeper. All right, so let's go through. I'm gonna try to decide here. I'm probably not gonna like fully decide here, but I'm gonna try to decide what I'm keeping. 100% the first thing I'm keeping are these jeans. They are so cute. I love them. I'm also definitely gonna keep this jacket, this like lightweight rain jacket. I love the color, and it's just just a great thing to have that I don't own in my closet. I'm also definitely keeping these leggings because they will be worn probably every day. And then I'm kind of in between the two dresses here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the BCBG one or this one. I do like the blue on me, but I love like this like prairie print here. I just love it. So I'm gonna keep one of these, I'm not sure which. And then I'm also definitely keeping this bodycon because it was gorgeous on. So those are the pieces that I'm going to be keeping. The rest I'm going to throw in my box, slap the label that they gave me, and ship it right back. Alright guys, so definitely check out Dailylook for a subscription service. It is so nice to have somebody. I never realized, I mean, I obviously style a lot of pieces and I buy a lot of clothing to try out, but it's really awesome to have somebody else in a different perspective pick things out for you that you would never even try on your own or never even gravitate towards and try them on. It is so fun. Like, it is literally so fun. So definitely check out Dailylook. I have that discount code and the links down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.